all, I'm Rhea. Welcome to Short and Sweet Learning. Let's solve NSO Model Paper Class 4, Part 2. This is Science. Last part we saw about logical learning. So, this part let's learn about science. The question is, unscramble the given letters and select the option that gives the name of the clothing item worn in winters. So first we should unscramble. I got cardigan for the first one, raincoat for the second one, shorts for the third one. So the correct answer is cardigan. Cardigan is worn in winter. Start from the first letter. Strike out every alternator letter to get the name of a material. So I have struck out P, O, S, Q and Z. So and I got metal. So now select the item that is not made by using this material. So metal, we make televisions, pressure cookers, bridges, but not crayons. So answer A. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, in dehydration, food is preserved by freezing, drying, adding salt, steaming. So in dehydration, food is preserved by drying. The given figure shows two gases, X and Y, that are used by plants and animals during daytime. Which of these can be X and Y? So let's go to the options. X, carbon dioxide, oxygen. So the pairs, these are the pairs. Carbon dioxide, X is carbon dioxide and Y is oxygen. Or X is oxygen and Y is oxygen. Or X is oxygen and Y is carbon dioxide. Or X is carbon dioxide and Y is also carbon dioxide. So the correct answer is C. So from plants exhale oxygen. So animals get oxygen. So animals exhale carbon dioxide that goes to plants. This is the cycle during the daytime. So the correct option is C. Madhu cannot run for a long time because he becomes short of breath and his muscles starts to ache. It indicates that his reproductive system, excretory system, digestive system or respiratory system is not efficient. So the correct answer is respiratory system, because if he has short breath, his respiratory system is not working efficiently. So he can't breathe for so long. The next question is, we prefer to wear dark colored cloth in winter because these clothes reflect to heat and keep the body cool. These clothes absorb heat and keep the body warm. These clothes keep the air entrapped and do not allow heat to escape, thus keeping the body warm. These clothes reflect the heat and keep the body warm. So the answer B is correct, because these clothes absorb heat and keep our body warm. Next one is, some means of transport are hidden in the given word grid. Unscramble the given letters and select the one which cannot be found in the grid. So this is the diagram. I found train and bicycle and I found truck. So here, this is bicycle, this is train and this is truck, and aeroplane is not found here. So aeroplane is the correct answer. Now the next question is, identify the process. Says P hyphen yes in the given figure of water cycle and select the correct option. Process which causes clothes to dry. Process which sometimes causes flood. So let's zoom in to the picture. Let's more zoom in and just look out what's the picture. So P, so we just evaporate the ocean. Here is the ocean. The water evaporates up and goes up into the sun. So now it comes down as rain. The process goes in again. So This is the water cycle. So raining can cause flood, and evaporation, go to the sun, can dry our clothes. Now let's go to the next question. Refer to the given flow chart. Which of the following is grouped incorrectly? So let's start. So let's zoom in to the picture. The diagram. So here, nutrients required by our body. Group L, bread, chapati, pulses. Group M, butter, margarine, oil. Group N, fish, egg, meat. Now, which is grouped incorrectly? Incorrectly is that butter, margarine, oil. So margarine is incorrect. So option B is correct. So let's go to the next question. Bhavya listened 4 birds, namely crow, sparrow, myna, and the eagle, together in the same group, but her friends argued that one bird is one odd. The group and gave different reasons for this. Which one of these friends argued correct? Myna is telling like. So the myna is telling sparrow is a herbivore, unlike others. So some friends are telling. So Namrata is telling eagle is a carnivore, unlike others. Sapna is telling crow is a carnivore, unlike others. And Priya is telling myna is a herbivore, unlike others. So the answer, the statement who said correct is Namrata. Namrata said is correct. Because sparrow is a herbivore and myna is a herbivore. So both are wrong. Myra and Priya. Sapna is telling that crow is a carnivore, but crow is an omnivore. So Namrata is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Which of these machines work on the same principle as does the seesaw? So let's see what are these. So this is a nutcracker. This is a cutting plier, and this is a scissor, and this is a door opener. So which one has the same principle as seesaw? Seesaw, it is mostly a lever. So Q, a cutting plier, and a scissor works in the same principle as the seesaw. So the answer is B. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the given process X? During daytime, land cools faster than the sea. Hot air above the land rises up during the daytime. Hot air from the sea rushes towards the land. None of these. So the answer is A. During the daytime, land cools faster than the sea. Now let's go to the next one. Vibhuti took 4 types of containers and poured water in them. As shown in the picture, arrange the containers in order of the same amount of water contained in them and select the correct option. So let's start. So here 10 ml, and here it's filled 8 ml, and here 10 ml, and here 8 ml. So W equals Y greater than X equals Z. Next option is W Y lesser than X equals Z. Yes. So the correct option is A. Let's go to the next question. Study the given food chains and select the correct option. Plant, eaten by lion, Lion eaten by a goat. Goat eaten by a tiger. This is wrong. Wheat eaten by a bird. Bird eaten by an elephant. Elephant eaten by a lion. This is also wrong. Grass eaten by a grasshopper. Grasshopper eaten by a frog. Frog eaten by a snake. Next one is corn eaten by a chicken. Chicken eaten by a snake. Snake eaten by an elephant. So this is wrong. So the answer is C. So the last question is, Davni took two healthy plants for the equal size and put them in two boxes L and M, made of two materials and placed under the sun. As shown in the figures, she watered them daily, but the setup in plant M died, while in setup in plant L grew well. Which of the following is the best described? So, A option is plant in setup M could not get air. Box in the setup M is made up of clear glass. The plant in setup M could not get any sunlight. The box in the setup L was made up in wood. So the correct option is C. Maybe the plant M could not get any of sunlight while the plant L got. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next part.